guys! Welcome back to Isabella's Toy World! Today I am super duper excited because we just received the new GoGo Gachas! Hooray! And also I just want to say a huge thank you to GoGo Gachas for sending me this package for free! Now let's see what's inside. Fun fact, GoGo Gachas was inspired by vending machine dispense capsule toys popular in Japan, known as Gashapon or Gashapon. There are 24 charms to collect. Wow, that's so amazing! Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So we got a GoGo Gacha shoe, a handbag, and a perfume. Now let's see what is in this blind bag. Oh my goodness, guys, that's so many! Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is the first one. Let's see what we have. It looks like a tiny hairspray. The next one. Oh my goodness, guys, it is so cute. I love it. Oh, I love this little teddy bear. I love it. It's so cute. Let's keep unboxing. Last one. And we got a purse. It is so cute, guys. I love this purse. And you can also open it. So let's open it. You can open it and close it. Now let's see what else is in here. Oh my goodness. We got a bracelet so we can put all of our charms. That is so cute. Let's put them on. I love the bracelet, guys. It is so cute. My favorite one is the blow dryer. I really like this one. Okay, guys, so we are going to be unboxing one of these GoGo Gachas in another video. You guys tell me in the comments below which one should I unbox. The perfume, the handbag, or the shoe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Peace out.